everybody, welcome back to my channel again. So, if you seen that video that the title is how to make LPS necklace, well, if you didn't watch that one, I prefer you to watch that one before you watch this one, because in that video I showed you how to make this necklace, and yeah, I showed you how to make it, but I didn't make it, I just told you because I couldn't had enough time to see, like, sorry, for you to like see I'm actually making it and how it looks like, but I did it without, well, recording it, but now I'm done, and here is the results, and here what it's supposed to look like. Here it is. So it took me like so many minutes to really make this, because when I made the first one it was very easy, but when I did the first one, this one was better, and when I did the last one, when I put all of the beads, then it was struggles. So I had to put 2 beads out because of this thing. So the reason why you should do this is because so the beads cannot come out. I'm like, putting it in the back of the LPS and twisting it is just not a good idea, because, you know, it could probably break, to be honest. So, yeah, I am very, very proud of myself making my first DIY necklace, because I never made one, and now I just taught myself to make one. So, yeah. And yeah, that's the results. It looks just like the same thing as this necklace. So let's compare it. Here's this necklace, and here's my own. So yeah, they look familiar, but still the same thing. So yeah. I'm just gonna put this back in. So, yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching this video, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, bye.